If you think luxury and off-road power can't exist in one machine, think again, because the all-new 2026 Hummer H2 Motorhome is here to completely redefine what adventure looks like. Welcome back to Autoscope, where today we're diving into a beast that's not just a vehicle, it's a moving fortress, a luxury apartment, and an unstoppable off-road king all rolled into one. Built on the legendary DNA of the Hummer, the 2026 H2 Motorhome takes everything you loved about the original H2 and transforms it into a next-level expedition machine. At first glance, it looks aggressive, bold, and unapologetically massive. That iconic boxy design is still here, but now it's been stretched, upgraded, and refined to support a full motorhome layout without losing its rugged personality. Under the hood, this monster is expected to come with a hybrid twin-turbo V8 setup or even a fully electric drivetrain option, delivering insane torque that allows it to conquer mountains, deserts, snow, and mud with ease. This isn't just about power, it's about control. Advanced all-wheel drive systems, adaptive air suspension, and terrain response modes mean you can drive this luxury home literally anywhere on the planet. Step inside, and everything changes. The interior is where the H2 Motorhome truly shocks you. Instead of a rough, military-style cabin, you're welcomed into a high-end luxury suite. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and smart digital displays surround you. The cockpit feels futuristic, with a massive touchscreen infotainment system, AI-assisted navigation, and full vehicle control at your fingertips. Move further back, and you enter the living space. Yes, a full living space inside a Hummer. There's a comfortable lounge area with a convertible sofa that turns into a bed, a compact yet fully equipped kitchen with a stove, sink, refrigerator, and even a microwave. Imagine cooking your favorite meal in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by nature. And it doesn't stop there. The sleeping area is designed for maximum comfort, featuring a queen-size bed, storage compartments, and climate control that adapts to any weather condition. Whether you're in the scorching desert or freezing mountains, the interior remains perfectly balanced. The bathroom is another surprise. Unlike typical camper vans, this one includes a fully functional bathroom with a shower, toilet, and modern fittings. It's like carrying a hotel room wherever you go. Technology is a huge part of this vehicle. Solar panels on the roof provide sustainable energy, while advanced battery systems ensure you can stay off-grid for days. There's also satellite internet connectivity, meaning you're never truly disconnected, even in the most remote locations. Safety hasn't been ignored either. The 2026 H2 Motorhome comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including 360-degree cameras, collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and autonomous driving capabilities for long highway journeys. On the outside, you'll find massive off-road tires, reinforced skid plates, roof racks, and optional accessories like an extendable awning, outdoor grill setup, and even a mini garage space for bikes or ATVs. This vehicle is built for explorers who refuse to compromise. What makes this motorhome truly special is its versatility. It's not just for camping, it's for living. Whether you're a content creator, a traveler, or someone who just wants to escape the city, this vehicle gives you the freedom to go anywhere without leaving comfort behind. Of course, all this luxury and capability comes at a price. The 2026 Hummer H2 Motorhome is expected to sit in the premium segment, making it a dream machine for many. But for those who can afford it, it's not just a purchase, it's a lifestyle upgrade. So, imagine this, you're driving through a remote mountain trail, the sun setting in the background, and instead of worrying about hotels or accommodation, you simply park, step inside, and relax in your own luxury space. That's the experience this machine delivers. The 2026 Hummer H2 Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's freedom on wheels, power without limits, and luxury without boundaries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insane Vahana reviews right here on Autoscope.